अपने टाइम में भूत मतलब की थी हॉरर मतलब
अपने टाइम में
नहीं
मतलब
मत नहीं
किसी और-
horror,
अपने टाइम में
नहीं
मतलब
मत नहीं
किसी और का टाइम पे
मैम क्या आपके साथ हुआ गुप्त के टाइम पे या उसके बाद के दौर में
गुप्त हॉरर नहीं थी यार।
कि मतलब दृश्यम 3 पर मतलब क्या कुछ है स्टेटस मतलब वो लोग
नहीं, मतलब
अगली बार बात करेंगे इसके बारे में।
जरूर जी। Yes.
Kajol, hi. Kajol, this side. Vishaka from HT City.
Lovely. Can't see you.
On this, the other side. The other side. Hi. I would say, firstly, congratulations for the film. The trailer looks wonderful. If I would ask you, you yourself are a mother, and while playing such a character and trying to portray to the world that माँ को सिर्फ sacrifices करते हुए नहीं देख सकते, she'll take a stand जब बच्चे पे आएगी. How difficult was it for you and आपके real life के हिसाब से अगर मैं पूछूं, कोई ऐसे instincts थे while on the stage, while you were performing or while you were shooting, जो real life mother instincts आपके camera roll के time पे सामने आए?
Being a mom, I'm sure if you have, I don't know whether you have kids or not. Being a mom, being a parent, I would say, is very instinctive. I mean, instinctively, you do a lot of things that you would probably haath aise jata hai. You'll protect you walk across the road, you'll automatically pull your baby closer. If you're sitting and if you're, if he or she's breathing wrong, something happened. So it's a very instinctive, it's a very, everything about that body next to you, that person next to you is very instinctive. And yes, we try to portray it on screen. And I'm hoping that, my subconscious was as strong as my conscious. And, I'm able to put that across. But yes, I think that when we talk about mothers and when we talk about protection, जो हम कहते हैं, it is not only about sacrifice. It is also definitely about standing up. It is, I think, I like they say, there's nothing more scary than a mama bear. So beware.
अजय सर आपने अपने टाइम में भूत मतलब की थी हॉरर मतलब
अपने टाइम में
नहीं
मतलब
मत
किसी
नहीं
और का टाइम पे
तो उन दिनों हॉरर फिल्में मतलब मेन स्ट्रीम की फिल्म नहीं होती थी जैसे अब हो रही है आप बना रहे हैं या मैं डॉग बना रहा है ठीक है तो ये चेंज क्यों हुआ है ऑडियंस मतलब बदली है या क्या हुआ है
ऑडियंस नहीं बदली है। ऑडियंस को अच्छी फिल्म दीजिए आप कोई भी जॉनर की हो, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई किसी ने कभी अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया एटलीस्ट विद अ बिगर स्टार कास्ट, और वो धीरे धीरे होने लगा है तो अब लोग कर रहे हैं. बट आई डोंट हैव एन आंसर फॉर दिस, बट काफ़ी साल से नहीं किया गया था एंड आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट कि दिस जॉनर इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग जॉनर.
मैम क्या आपके साथ हुआ गुप्त के टाइम पे या उसके बाद के दौर में
गुप्त हॉरर नहीं थी यार.
हाँ हाँ मतलब गुप्त के
Really?
बाद, या कि आपको हॉरर फिल्म अप्रोच की गई हो और आपने हाँ कहा हो
नहीं,
ना
मैंने
कहा हो.
कभी मुझे अप्रोच नहीं किया गया है हॉरर फिल्म के लिए. I have to say, with great pleasure, I say that I was not approached for a horror film. Yes, exactly. But then na casting was in house.
कि मतलब दृश्यम 3 पर मतलब क्या कुछ है स्टेटस मतलब वो लोग हिंदी डब कर रहे हैं
सर वर्ल्ड ऑफ शैतान में आए हैं
बस,
इतनी
बस,
मतलब
अगली बार बात करेंगे इसके बारे में.
जरूर जी. Yes, one last question be taking.
Mashwell India. So I basically have like a question for in general Kumar sir, Ajay sir. Vishal sir recently just mentioned about VFX, and horror is in the best in India when it comes to like prosthetics and VFX. But when I watched the trailer, honestly, this is some of the best stuff we have gotten in a movie that literally has a lot of VFX, like given its mythology and stuff. So how did that work out?
Clapping for our whole team right now.
The question is,
How did that work out? Like, because we are still new to VFX. So how did?
no, we are not new to VFX. I've had a VFX company which is now more than 10, 12 years old, and we've been doing some fabulous work. So it's just not VFX. It's putting things together, imagining it, and then getting into VFX and getting it on first paper and then on screen. So it's a long process. It starts from the concept to visualizing it to how to light it and then how to create things. So it's not an easy job that okay, we've done something, we'll just shoot something and then let's do VFX. It doesn't work like this. You have to shoot it right. You have to imagine it right. You have to frame it right. You have to light it right. So it's a whole teamwork. It's a whole process.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. June 27th is when we'll get to see the film in theaters. विशाल सर, जो आपने बोला कि हीरो बनना होता है सबको, यहाँ पे आपने ऑडियंस को हीरो बना दिया है कि they will decide and उनको अच्छा content मिलेगा. Thank you so much for that, sir. It's really important that we invite some wonderful people on stage जिनके बिना ये पूरा नहीं होता.
Without taking the
Sir,
names,
sir.
we can call all our HODs.
Okay, can we have all the HODs on
HODs.
stage,
Rahul.
please? Yes, please. The main people, ladies and gentlemen, they've done it all, of course. Back in Wednesday, जोरदार तालियां for the entire team. Screenplay, dialogues, action, whatnot.
Over there. Here we have all the heads of department who have made the entire
everything
whatever
together.
you've seen today to make it look as good as it did. We have all these people to thank. So huge big round of applause to everybody standing on stage today. Everybody, huge big round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for this wonderful, wonderful product.